to all my dear parents, teachers, and tiny tots. Congratulations to all my beloved 176 students who are being graduated today. It's a process of transformation from a kid to a child. Even though you are unable to attend the class this year regularly, I hope you have grown much through your virtual classes and through all other competitions, celebrations, and activities you had virtually. I hope your innocence, smartness, your energy, enthusiasm, knowledge, and wisdom will increase as the days go by. I also want to congratulate all my beloved parents and dear teachers who work tirelessly behind their growth. Once again, congratulating each and every one of you. Thank you. May God bless you.
See the sun shining in the window. Time to start a new day. Can't you hear the songbirds singing? I gotta sing out loud and say that it's a beautiful day. We're running in the sun. A beautiful day that's just begun. A beautiful day to do what I wanna do. Yes, it's a beautiful day just to be alive. A beautiful day, so glad that I've got a beautiful day, and I'd like to share it with you. I'd like to share it with you. I wanna share it with you. Yeah!
We all are so proud of you, my dear children. I wish you all the best. Love you so much.
Morning, one and all. I'm Elizabeth Sodi, one of the class teachers of UKGD. Now, let me call upon our dear students. First comes Adidev, a silent and talented boy of our class who is good in his studies. A girl with chubby cheeks, rosy lips, and curly hair. That is our dear Aradhya. Here comes Abel Ajit, a self-confident and an enthusiastic boy. Adib G, an ambitious boy who likes to talk a lot with teachers. Next comes Ahala Seba, our Kilikambati, a girl with a shining smile. Alvin Baiju, a boy who is often shy but friendly. Andrea Denny, she is a good-natured girl and a super dancer too. Angelina Gilson, a calm and soft-spoken girl in our class. Angelina Denny is very good and sits like a lamb in the class. Here comes Anna Elizabeth, an angel of beauty and a good-natured girl. Anton P, Salim Ali of our class who like birds very much. He is good at English. Anthony Denny, calm and quiet boy in our class. Here comes Pulchadi of our class, Bedel, with a naughty smile, always cooperative. Catherine Maria, she is our bubbly tot, always a chatterbox. Devadatt, he is a boy with full of energy. Next comes Sachin Tendulkar of UKGD, Dilshan. His answers are like sixers. Elisa Varghese, a polite and innocent girl who steals our heart with her behavior. A silent girl with cute smile, that is our Esa Maria. Ivan James, a handsome boy with a naughty smile. He is very smart in his studies. Esra Ashlyn, she is calm and quiet, intelligent, hardworking girl in our class. Faz Muhammad, an innocent boy who steals our heart with his action, but tears will come out even for small matters. Gabriel Austin, a boy with strong convictions regarding his studies. Gianna Maria, she is a good-natured girl who soon mingle with others. Here comes Hilal, a boy with lot of talents and good at studies. Isabel, a calm girl, soft-spoken and dignified who sits like a cat in the class. Ishan Lal, he is like a squirrel in the class with a naughty smile. Ivan Teres, a polite and innocent girl in our class. Jennifer Philo, our sweet, fair and lovely girl who steals our heart with her behavior. Jishon, a well-mannered boy who needs care and attention. Next is our smart boy Jahan, who is an ambitious and very much interested in drawing. John TJ, a lovely and sincere boy who always in a thinking mood. Karthikeyan, Chota Beam of our class, he is very active in studies. Sincere and silent girl in our class, that is our Mary Rose. She is also very friendly and helpful. Michelle, she is an efficient and soft-spoken girl in our class. Muhammad Faizan, he is a calm and confident boy who needs to be more friendly with others. Nantika, she is a ray of sunshine who makes others happy with her interactions. A very pleasant girl who captures all's heart with her cute smile. That is our dear Pallavi Kuti. Next comes Ryan Chindo, a vibrant, cheerful boy who is an efficient hard worker in our class. Here comes Junior Balasubramaniam Ryan Chindo, a good singer of our class. Stan Joshi, a boy who is very polite and joyful. Here comes Veda Krishnakumar, a sprouting bud of talents who is very active in TikTok videos. Last but not the least, Zayan, a calm and quiet boy. He is a loving and obedient boy of UKGD. Congratulations to all my dear graduates. We love you and we will miss you a lot. Lord Almighty, thank you for giving me this beautiful day. Oh God, bless these children to become a blessing to the humanity and to spread the light to love the world. Thank you. Now I invite Mrs. Jayanti to share her experience.
Good morning, everyone. I am Jayanti, one of the class teachers of UKGD. Today, our students have graduated from kindergarten, and this indeed is a very special day in their life. Congratulations, my dear Tiny Tots. It was such an awesome time being with you and teaching you all. Today, as we honor our kids, we know that they have started their remarkable journey towards achieving their goal. They have learned so much and have grown in many ways. My dear children, we are proud of you and thank you for your love and hard work. Dear parents, I wholeheartedly thank you all for your kind cooperation. Our online classes would not have been a success without your support. My best wishes to all my dear little ones and for an enlightened future. May God Almighty shower all His blessings upon you. Thank you.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, But that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
A good education can change anyone. Good teacher can change everything. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Andanja Thomas. On behalf of all UKG students, I would like to thank our dear principal, Reverend Father Josh Kidingan, and all my dear teachers for caring and supporting us. Dear teachers, you will always be grateful for your love. Thank God for giving us wonderful teachers like you to guide us during our first step of education. Thank you very much.